Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop. It ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
What's going on, people? This is Inflewence, of course. And I'm back with unboxing something different today. Usually tech or transformers, but today this is some health. This is DHerbs. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. I will link it in the description. And it's a health cleanse. This is a full body cleanse. So if you ever cleanse before, you know I'm into health. Got my unboxing knife, just a knife only knife I have, so sharp knife. Yeah, so if you know me, you know in the past I've done unboxings of and did health products. You know, I'm into the health and all that good stuff, which is recommend everybody be into health because it's health. I do a cleanse like twice a year, but I haven't done one in a long time, and I haven't done this one. I heard good things about DHerbs. There's a little plug for them. It's full body cleanse, has a diet regimen, everything's raw. You're gonna eat raw. This is a 21-day cleanse, I believe. So what you get in the box, you get their pill box, because there's a lot of, I don't recommend this if you're not into taking supplements and pills, but if you are, this should be a good cleanse for you. So you get the kidney, bladder, I think this is bladder, and adrenals. Got that. Liver, spleen, gallbladder. These are all the things and stuff is in there that cleanses that blood, lymphatic system, lungs and respiratory, colon, digestive tract, and cardiovascular. So you have a lot of supplements. You have to lose 10 to 30 pounds in 20 days with this cleanse. I'm not really trying to lose, I mean, I do want to lose weight, but you also get the charcoal, activated charcoal. I believe you got to drink it on certain days. There's a lot that goes with this that you have to you know, adhere to. It's pretty strict, so I'm gonna try to vlog daily, but it may not be daily. I may do it every few days or something, but I want to vlog this process, and hopefully my girlfriend will vlog with me because she's doing it as well, and we're gonna see. So yeah, this has just been a quick unboxing of the DHerbs full body cleanse, so you can see everything that you get in it. If you have any questions and I can answer them, holla at me. All right. Peace.
Hip hop, I feel, I gotta say, who am I, you might say, influence, and I spit better than most in this game, provoking thought with no cocaine.